first year we pretty much built the entire airframe. Oh, it's just amazing to see what these kids can accomplish and see the hands-on experiences that this project offers them, and to see how we went from the Wright brothers back in 1903, 117 years later, we have these high school students that they're building their own plane. They get to see everything that entails, and then they will get to fly in this thing eventually. The instructions are big key. The plane we're building probably has some of the best instructions there is, but it's still confusing at times. It's a really good skill for them to understand how important it is. So read those instructions, don't miss anything, it's step by step, take your time, mark everything off, and then go back again. We're real big about color coding everything. You mark everything with Sharpies. So we have all different color Sharpies. We write everything on the plane, exactly what we want to do and where we're gonna do it.
There's stuff that the book just doesn't tell you how to do it. And like with the mentors helping out, it makes it a lot easier and you actually learn more stuff too. I did like rudder link cables, I did some of the wiring and whatnot. I just did a lot of the extra jobs that they needed for it, and then a lot of the assembling stuff.
So that was the beginning, and then we just went step by step. I mean, it's a big project, so you just do every little piece at a time.
There's some steps in there that are just like, they feel impossible, but kind of grit your teeth, get through it, and it pays off in the end.